I'm going to talk you through what the periodic table is. And the periodic table may look scary, but once you understand it, it's an incredible cheat sheet for all your chemistry GCSE exams. So what is the periodic table? Well, the periodic table is just a list of all the elements. And if you remember what an element is just a group of atoms that have the same number of protons. So each individual element is given its own unique symbol, which is always a capital letter, or if it's more than one letter, the first one is always capital and the subsequent ones are always lowercase. Now you'll notice there's also two numbers associated with each element. Now the smaller number is called the atomic number, and that determines what the element is because that tells you precisely how many protons there are. And if you remember, for each proton there is one electron. So we know there's a certain number of protons, we know there's exactly the same number of electrons. The larger number tells us the atomic mass. So that's the number of protons and neutrons together. So if you want to find out the number of neutrons, you subtract the atomic number from the atomic mass, and that will give you the number of neutrons. The periodic table is also divided into vertical groups and horizontal periods. And for your GCSE, you need to know the groups 1, which are the alkali metals, group 7, which are the halogens, and group 0, which are the noble gases. But we'll come back to those. So that's the periodic table.